Stupid thing, now I gotta do
Have to move back. You can get in there if you want to, Maddie.
Let's go.
Alright, it's your turn, babe. Jump in.
Mum. Oh no. Oh, just because you're gonna listen to it.
Alright, Maddie, jump in there.
Or mad stuff. You call me that, I'll smash your face. Oh, push me in the river. I can swim.
Alright. Pull some weird poses. Okay, and what else? Anything else?
Anything else? Right to field.
I don't want it.
Right, let's go.